Sheikh, it's hard to trust people nowadays. How can I find good friends if someone hurts you? Should I still keep his contact number? My brothers and sisters, there's no need to be worried about the people. If it is very simple, anybody who is wishing you good for your hereafter, the life in the hereafter, anybody who tells you and reminds you and advises you not to do anything harmful that could bring harm to your your personal life, your character, and bring harm to shame to yourself and shame to your family, all these things, anybody who tells you to do that, that means he is a good well-wisher person to you. And anybody who is encouraging you, or anybody who is in that environment and you are being with that, then definitely you will not be safe. Because Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has said that if you want to know the good and the bad of a person, see with whom he is mingling around, who are his or her friends. So that way, if your friends are good, definitely you are good, you are saved. And if your friends are bad, your company is bad, then you are not safe at all. And Prophet ﷺ has also given us the example of good friend and a bad friend by giving the example of a blacksmith and a perfume seller, the one who sells perfume. And he said that the bad friend is just like a blacksmith. When a person pays visit to him, that even though he may not be doing that job of the blacksmith, but he will get the black stained from the carbon that he is around. So that is the example of a bad friend. That he may not do bad things, but he may get influenced by the bad company. So this is the example of a bad friend. And the good friend, Rasulullah has said, is the one who is, mashallah, like a perfume seller. That if a person goes and even doesn't buy anything from that friend, that person, any perfume, but still he'll be around good fragrance.